So here we go with a SanDisk SSD drive. Now, these are obviously completely different from the old school discs that had like magnetic plates, etc. in them. So, yeah, this one's failed. It didn't fail altogether. So, what I found was that there were parts of my data that I couldn't read, and my PC was kind of occasionally freezing up. Reboot, it would start again. When I tried to copy some of the data off, some of it wouldn't copy. So, which I understood these would go full time bang when they go wrong and you can't recover the data. Um, but this was all being backed up anyway. But I was interested to see what wouldn't move data wise. So the actual app that I installed for this SanDisk was reporting that this was healthy, no problems at all, which wasn't the case. Anyway, let's have a look and see what's inside this. I'm curious to have a look. What we've got looks to be screws underneath here. These will be security screws, no doubt, but you might be able to just, no, they're just Phillips screws. Okay, so there's another one. This could be a better way of doing it. The price of these things has come down so much now. Alright, so it looks like we got 4 Phillips screw. Let's chuck that one on. I'm expecting not much to be inside one of these. Never looked before, so I've got no idea. Okay, they're off. No idea if this is going to open up. We'll try and prise it open. Yeah. There we go. Seems to be a bit of bonding. Right, okay. So that sort of stuck in. Not sure that's... Do you say that's professional? The other thing to this might be these aren't actually SanDisk drives. But yeah, so that's it. All of this, and all you get is that. They could... Yeah, you could. You could reduce it down to there. It could be that size, and it would still have mounting screw holes to go in laptops, etc. So that's off, and inside we've just got this. Wow. So undo it. I know nothing about chips, so I've got no idea. I'm guessing these are the storage ones. 128 gig each. But yeah, that's all it consists of. Very small indeed, when you consider that is the case. Right, thanks for watching this. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, and I'll see you on another video.